Welcome to Signature Style.
Wake up with perfect skin every morning. Nighttime is when your skin repairs, resets, drinks in nutrients. Step 1. Double cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanse to melt sunscreen, melt makeup, melt excess sebum, massage gently over dry skin. Add a splash of water to emulsify, then rinse. Follow with a water-based cleanser to lift sweat impurities. Fresh, calm canvas, so every step after can work harder. Step 2. Toning and serums. Press in a soothing, alcohol-free toner to rebalance and prep. Hydration begins here. Vitamin C, brighten and even tone. Hyaluronic acid, deep hydration, plump skin. Warm a few drops between your fingertips, glide from center to outer face, tap over cheeks, tap over forehead. Step 3. Moisturizing and eye cream. Seal with a nourishing night cream, smooth upward along jawline, cheeks, temples. Pea-sized dot of eye cream, tap along the orbital bone. Light pressure, no rubbing. If your hair is dry, finish with a thin, occlusive layer to lock in moisture overnight. Before bed, breathe. You've cleansed, treated, sealed. In the morning, expect softer, calmer, more radiant skin, and always apply sunscreen.
Thank you for watching.